Would you like to earn $5,000 a month just by sending a few SMS messages to people that actually want to read them? If you said yes, then stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how you can do this from the comfort of your own home. And if you stay with me all the way to the end, I'll show you a super easy hack that will speed up the whole process and help you get started 10 times faster. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy, and on this channel I try to bring you the best ways of making money online, mainly focusing on affiliate marketing, as well as documenting my own journey to financial freedom and sharing with you what I've learned along the way. So if that sounds interesting to you, then make sure you subscribe and check the bell notification icon so that I can let you know when I upload my next video. So in this method, you'll be helping local restaurant businesses to set up SMS messaging broadcast systems so that they can increase their revenue by sending out promotional offers and other types of information to their best and most loyal customers. This has become even more important as many local restaurants and businesses have suffered dramatically due to the lockdown and social distancing rules. So during this pandemic, a lot of countries imposed strict lockdown which hit the restaurant and hospitality sectors hard, and those worst affected are your local family-run businesses. Communication is key during these hard times, especially when dealing with information such as changed opening times and reduced menus. And that is where a lot of these businesses fail. They don't know how to market their business other than word of mouth and normal foot traffic, which has been significantly slashed. So in this method, you'll be able to become that bridge between the restaurants and their old and potential customers by setting up and maintaining the restaurant's SMS marketing system. Creating a simple but effective SMS marketing system for them not only solves a communication issue, but now gives business owners the ability to pull out their phones and send out a new promotion or special item to hundreds and even thousands of their customers, generating increased sales and profits and staying relevant in these uncertain times. SMS is so effective as it still retains a level of intimacy compared to email. For example, you would most likely open up an SMS message you receive immediately as opposed to an email you receive, as SMS messages are associated with family and friends and emails usually revolve around work. Now each client can be enrolled, charging them between $200 to $500 per month, depending on the size of their SMS list. So if we take the lower end of the scale and say you are able to sign up 25 restaurants, that would make you $5,000 a month, which is pretty impressive. Now you may be thinking, how am I going to create and maintain an SMS marketing software without coding knowledge? Well, a program called Pizza Money was just released by Dr. Ben Adkins, which teaches you how you can get a restaurant set up with their very own SMS broadcasting system in less than 25 minutes with absolutely no coding knowledge required and next to no maintenance, leaving you with more time to expand to more restaurant clients and building up your portfolio of restaurants who will pay you every month to keep the system running. So Ben Adkins started his career running a successful chiropractic business and then started to delve into the world of marketing to drive more business. He then started helping other small businesses through the same method until he started his own ad agency. So this is someone who not only understands how this business works, has been doing it for himself and other people successfully for a significant period of time. So in the training, Ben shares with you the exact blueprint of how you can get this business up and running fast. He provides word-for-word sales scripts and answers tons of objections that they may have, so it's really just plug and play. And as many people aren't comfortable meeting face-to-face during these times, he's created a high-converting client outreach method which you can do from your own home. And to help with the whole process, I've included 5 bonuses that will enhance your experience of the course, giving you a head start and a boost to your results. So the first 3 bonuses you'll receive if you decide to join the Pizza Money system through my link in the description are Bing Ads Mastery Training, Instagram Marketing Made Simple, and FB Ninja. In these step-by-step trainings, you will learn how to effectively use Bing, Facebook, and Instagram advertising in order to generate thousands of dollars in return. It will show you a simple, actionable blueprint that you can take and run with right away. This is great as you can use these skills learned in these trainings to quickly scale your SMS marketing business and find new clients. Next, we have the 5-figure freedom bonus, which is a complete course which will break down a type of advertising called solo ads. You will learn the importance of how you can build and monetize your own email list of customers and clients. And finally, the last bonus will be 30 days of messenger mentoring by myself, so you'll be able to pick my brains about anything to do with marketing, paid ads, and even questions relating to the Pizza Money system. So when you purchase the Pizza Money system through the link in the description below this video, you also get all of these exclusive bonuses automatically at the checkout. So if you want to check out this awesome opportunity, then make sure you check the link in the description to find out more. And if you have any further questions, then feel free to ask me below or reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram and I'll get back to you. I really appreciate you watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.